Running out of space on your Xbox Series X or Series S? Don't delete games. Add storage. By adding a Crucial Portable SSD, you can nearly double your capacity in just a few easy steps. Here's what to do. Step 1. Unbox your Crucial Portable SSD. Step 2. Using the provided USB-C cable and adapter, plug your Crucial Portable SSD into one of the Xbox's available ports. You'll be presented with a screen that asks, "Use for media or for games and apps?" Step 3. Format your Crucial Portable SSD. To add storage for games and apps, click Format Storage Device. Note, any data that was previously stored on your Crucial Portable SSD will be deleted during the formatting process to make it supported by the Xbox Series X or Series S. Make sure you remove or duplicate any files you wish to keep before formatting your SSD. This is not an issue if your Crucial Portable SSD is brand new. Name your drive Crucial Portable SSD or any other name you choose. You'll be asked, install things on Crucial Portable SSD by default? Choose Install New Things here if you want new games stored on your Crucial Portable SSD. Choose Keep Current Location if you want to store new games on your Xbox's internal drive. Click Format Storage Device. You'll be returned to your main menu. That's it. Your Crucial Portable SSD is now formatted and ready to use, at home or even on your friend's Xbox. Finally, faster game loads and more storage right at your fingertips. A Crucial Portable SSD and your Xbox Series X or Series S make a perfect pair. You'll wonder why you waited so long.